Hello friends, welcome to CS Tutorials. Today we'll be solving problem 145 binary tree post order traversal. This is going to be a follow-up to our previous video where we solved this problem recursively. So today we're going to be solving it iteratively and we're going to be just going to go ahead and dive into the code. I suggest you watch the recursive solution to this problem so you can follow on with us. Um, we're going to be using a list to store our answers, and we'll call it list, a new array list. And we're also going to be using a stack of tree node, and we'll call this stack. This stack, you would see we're going to be using this to store the nodes that we visit, essentially. You can see it as something like that, yes. And we're going to use a tree, another pointer, which we're going to call cur, is going to be the current node which we're processing. So now we want to traverse through the tree. And how do we do this? We say while cur is not equal to null, or stack dot size is greater than 0. We want to, so this is going to help us traverse through the stack. We say if the cur is not equal to null, we want to add list. We want to add that value to our list, but we're going to add it in reverse from the bottom up. Because as we know, post order traversal traverses the left first, then the right, and then the root node. And like I said in my previous video, I suggest you do a little reading to understand the concept of post order, pre-order, and in-order traversal. It'll do you a lot of good just to understand the theoretical aspects. So when you put it into code, it's a lot easier to understand. And the next thing we want to check again, if car dot left is not equal to null, stack, excuse me, stack the push car dot left. And after this is done, we want to move this and point it to the right side of our tree. And essentially at this point we're almost done with our solution. We just need to remember that, hey, okay, if that processes, we need to also pop whatever is at the top of the stack to make sure the stack, we process everything we've put on the stack and make sure the stack is empty when we are done. And at the end of this, we want to return our list. And if we go over this solution, we can see we're using a list and a stack and a pointer. And as we're passing through this problem, we're able to store the values that we process on the stack and um, process the post order traversal of the tree. So I'm just going to run this code. Hopefully, looking at the code, you're able to understand it a little bit better. Wow, stack dot size. Okay, we're missing this. Um, if you don't understand something, you want me to clarify on it, please leave a comment under the video, and we could go over it a little bit more in depth. We'll submit this solution now, and we can see we're 100% faster at Java Online submissions. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find it informative, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.